This is how you change one of these typewriter ribbons. You know, IBM Wheelwriter 1000. Just lift up the top part, and then here's your thing. Just lift it straight up out of there. And you might have to poke this part right there to release the tension. And then you grab your box full of replacements. Open up the package. Remove the plastic that fell into the interior. Throw that where your cat can't get it. You take your new one, pull the tab out. Activate it. Careful, don't get it caught on the machinery while you're getting it ready. Also, probably good to turn it off while you're doing this stuff. Oops. And pull on this wheel here. Oops. Oops. Take this, see this little wheel right here? Little orange thing? Just spin that to tighten up the ribbon as you're getting started here. Okay, so once that's taut, just rest in there. Nice, soft, easy click. And it's in. Let's see. Oops. I gotta wipe that out. I went on the wrong spot. But it's working. Yeah, see? It's that easy. And while I'm at it, I'll just show you where the batteries are. You'll want to replace those if you're having some problems with memory, indentation, settings, being remembered too much or too little. That's it. Bye-bye. And read this paper when I'm done with it. It's gonna be great. It's about cognition.